Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and in today's video I'm going to mix my lipsticks together simply because I did a declutter and I wanted to get rid of some old lipstick that I had and well, just cut them off and put them in this bowl and just mix the shades together and let's see what's like it going to look like, right? Starting with this long lipstick right here and just going for a knife and basically just cut it off. So this is the first shade. There's not too much of it in the product left, so next we have a Catrice product and it's this nude shade. Let's cut this off as well. Next we have Cooler. And Manhattan. This used to be like my favorite. Super satisfying, you guys. Look at them shades. So pretty. And last but not least, okay. So we have a little bit like of purple in here, pink and nude. And now I'm going to mix this. I keep touching like the lipstick. This one is pretty hard, like this Cooler one. The shade that we are going to achieve by mixing these shades together is actually so pretty. I really want to create my own lipstick now. the amount of it is actually perfect for a new lipstick, right? But just as I said, these are old products, so I don't really recommend using this anymore. But I really want to swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. So I think I'm done with this job right here. So let's just put it on my hand, right? So I'm just taking a bit of it. Ooh, it feels soft. And just as I said, the shade is beautiful. Super stunning. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video of me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.